lattice structure of a FIR filter, an example on that.
Okay. Then I think I have taken one example on lattice structure, right? Let us take one more
Yes,
example
sir.
today. Let us take one more example and we will proceed further. Just note down the second example as h of z equals to h of z is equals to 1 plus 2 z inverse plus 1 plus 2 z inverse plus 1 by 3 z power minus 2. So here the one best thing is, let me start presentation. Yes, is my screen visible?
Yes.
You just note down this as an example and we are writing now the solution for this. So from this, first we need to note down, just note down the question once again and call it as equation 1. H of z equals to 1 plus 2 z inverse plus 1 by 3 z power minus 2 and call it as equation 1. What is the order of the equation now?
2.
2.
2. Right. In that case, how do we write the coefficients? We write the coefficients as a2 of 1 is equals to, क्या है वैल्यू अभी? अब बताओ मुझे कि a2 of 1 और a2 of 2 का वैल्यू क्या है? First we have to write the direct form coefficients from the given equation. Right? We are converting this direct form coefficients to the lattice coefficient. So, what is the value of a2 of 1? 2
2.
वैल्यू आएगा z इनवर्स का कोएफिशिएंट. ठीक है. What about a2 of 2?
1 by 3.
Hope everyone has understood how to write the direct form coefficient. कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे? Any
No.
doubt here? Okay. Now we want to convert this into the lattice structure. तो उसके लिए अपना फार्मूला क्या है? What is the formula we are having? We have the formula as Km is equals to Am of m and what we have again? Am minus 1 of I is equals to Am of I minus Am of m into Am of m minus I divided by 1 minus k square m. So this is the formula you have to remember. Right. This is what we are converting direct form coefficient to lattice form coefficient by using this formula. Right. So here first step, like step 1 we will write. Step 1 for m equals to 2. Right. जब m equals to 2 होता है, then what will be the value of I? I के वैल्यू क्या आएंगे?
1.
1. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे I का वैल्यू इज वेरिंग फ्रॉम 1 टू m minus 1. तो m minus 1 मतलब 2 minus 1. तो I की वैल्यू सिर्फ 1 आएगा. So in that case, so first equation में अगर मैं m equals to 2 substitute किया, then what will happen? K2 is equals to, what I will write? A2 of 2. ठीक है, which is equals to what is the value? K2 का वैल्यू कितना आया?
1/3.
0.33 or 1/3 we will write. We will write it as 0.33. Okay. Are you getting my point? Then, similarly, if I substitute m equals to 2 in this second equation, क्या लिखूंगा मैं अभी? Can you tell me what I can write here? I want to substitute m equals to 2 and m equals to 2 और I equals to कितना है अभी? If I substitute m equals to 2 and I equals to 1 in second equation, what will happen? कोई बताएंगे? m equals to 2 and I equals to 1 in second equation if I substitute, क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे अभी? Yes? Anybody?
A1 of 1.
A1 of 1 is
Equal
equals
to
to
A2 of 1
A2 of 1 minus
minus A2 of 2
A2 of 2
into
then
A2 of 1.
A2 of 1 divided by
1 minus
1 minus, yes, what I can write? 1 minus K2 square.
K2 square.
K2 square. We just substitute all the values here. What is the value of A2 of 1? 2 minus A2 of 2 का वैल्यू कितना है? 0.33. A2 of 1 का वैल्यू कितना है? 2 divided by 1 minus K2. K2 का वैल्यू कितना है अभी? 0.33 स्क्वायर. इसका वैल्यू कितना आया? Just tell me the value.
1.503.
The value is 1. How much? 1.5 आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
1.503. Okay. Any confusion here in this part? Any confusion?
No sir.
Then next, this is for m equals to 2 and I equals to 1 we have taken. Then step 2, what I will write? Step 2, m equals to 1. I का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा यहाँ पे?
0.
What is I value? 0 आएगा.
0.
ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में हमें m equals to 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. So if I substitute m equals to 1 in equation 1 or km equation, तो क्या लिख सकते हैं वहां पे? k1 equals to क्या लिख सकते हैं? a1 of 1 which is equals to what is the value? 1.503. Understood? यहाँ पे हमें दो डायरेक्ट फॉर्म कोएफिशिएंट है. So for two direct form coefficients, we have to convert two lattice coefficient. मतलब K2 आया और K1 आया. Right. Now I can draw the structure. So how do I draw the structure now? Structure कैसा plot कर सकते हैं इसको? This is how the way we can plot the structure. This is Z inverse. यहाँ पे आपका input x of n रहेगा. Right. Then again is going to be added with this part. This is first part. और यहाँ पे इसका मल्टीप्लायर क्या होगा? स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेगा आपका, स्ट्रक्चर कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है. तो सिर्फ यहाँ पे the values are going to get changed. Right? K1 is equals to, we have the value as 1.503. Then next what I will do? Next कैसा कर सकते हैं इसको? Same structure I am repeating again. Same structure I am repeating again. Okay. And then again, so if I add this like adder here, और उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ द मल्टीप्लायर्स आई एम राइटिंग इट एज K2 here and K2 here, right? Its output we are writing it as y of n, and this output we are writing it as G2 of n or G1 of n, right? So here, so finally we'll write the value of K1 is equals to 1.503 and K2 equals to, we have the value as 0.33. So this is the way how we can convert a direct form coefficients to the lattice form coefficient. Direct form coefficients to lattice form coefficient. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion here? Any confusion? Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
Can I proceed to the next example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take one more example of similar kind and then we will go for the further part. Now we have to do this example. Take the next question. Given the FIR filter, just note down the next question. Given the FIR filter with following difference equation, just write y of n is equals to x of n plus 3.1 x of n minus 1 plus 5.5 x of n minus 2 plus 4.2 x of n minus 3 plus 2.3 x of n minus 4. 2.3 x of n minus 4. Sketch the lattice realization. Sketch the lattice realization of the filter coefficient of the filter. Lattice realization of the filter. Can you do this? कर सकते हैं इसको? Okay, let us try for this. Let me give you the 5 minutes time. This is same as our first example. Just do it by yourself. Let's see how many of you will do it, and then I will proceed.
हॅलो सर.
Yes. बोलो ना मैडम.
सर ते वेटिंगला आहे.
ओके, ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ. Yes, if anybody is having any problem, please ask me. Pratiksha, roll number 6. Are you there? Roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
Madam, have you
Yes, sir.
started following the example?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulty? Any question?
No. No, sir.
Okay. Solve and tell me the answer.
K4 is equal to 2.3.
How much?
K4 is equal to 2.3.
K4 you are calculating. Okay. K4 is equals to 2.3. Okay. Good. Go ahead. Yes, anybody else? Others? What is the answers you are getting? Please update if you are getting answers. Let me rectify that.
A3 of 1 is equal to 1.529.
A3 of 1 is equals to
1.529.
what value you are telling?
1.529.
किसका वैल्यू है मैडम वो?
A3 of 1.
A3 of 1. No. A3 of 1 how you have calculated? A3 of 1 how you have calculated? See,
Formula.
here the formula से आपको A3 of 1 you are telling. Okay. A3 of 1 is how much? 1.529.
529.
Yes,
हाँ
correct it is. ठीक है, correct है. K4 का वैल्यू आ गया 2.3 सबका.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. A3 of 1 is 1.529. What about next value? A3 of 2, A3 of 3. पहला m equals to 4 निकालना है. What about I equals to? I equals to क्या वैल्यू आएंगे यहाँ पे?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. मतलब m equals to 4 लेके I equals to 1, 2, 3 के लिए 3 वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है हमें. वेरी गुड. कंटिन्यू. That is our step 1.
A3 of 2 is equal to 1.667.
Okay. A3 of 2 is 1.667. So others please get the verify with your answers and you just update. If you got the answer, you tell me yes sir, we got the answer. Hope everyone is doing. Anybody is facing any difficulty, let me know. तो उनके लिए सेपरेट मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. If
So,
anyone is facing,
equal
हाँ,
to A3
yes,
of 3 equal to
okay,
0.682.
okay, we can write 0.682 or 83 you can take, no problem. How many of you have got these values? कितने लोगों को मिल रहा है ये values?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 लोग हो गए. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 members. ऐसे यस सर बोले तो मेरा कान फटना चाहिए, वैसा आना चाहिए आवाज. What about others? Almost like 60 members are there. Out of 60, only 5 members are doing what others are doing. Gayatri is there. Gayatri Bhandare. क्योंकि
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
सॉल्व करना है तो टाइम नहीं लगेगा, 5 मिनट में पट 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 सॉल्व करके छोड़ देता हूँ मैं. बट माई इंटेंशन इज दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू शुड सॉल्व इट बाय योरसेल्फ. गायत्री भंडारे.
Yes, sir.
आया क्या मैडम आंसर आपका?
हाँ सर, A3 of 1 आया है, A3 of 2 कैलकुलेट कर रही हूँ.
ओके, कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर.
ओके. रोल नंबर 10 is there. Harshada.
Yes, sir.
Have you started solving, madam? Have you solved the example? How many answers you got?
A3 of 1 निकाला है सर.
हाँ, बाकी भी करो ना.
हाँ सर, कर रही हूँ.
हाँ. विद्या डेरे इज देयर. यार ये लोग क्या.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, हैव सॉल्व द एग्जांपल मैडम. सॉल्व केलं का तुम्ही एग्जांपल?
हा करते सर.
येतंय ना? काय काय डिफिकल्टी आहेत का काय त्याच्यामध्ये?
हा
कळालंय का कसं करायचं म्हणून?
हा
करा, सॉल्व करा आणि तुमच्याकडून मला आन्सर एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. तुम्ही सांगायचं मला आन्सर, सर हे आन्सर आले म्हणून.
हो सर.
Yes, what about further answers for second step? सेकेंड स्टेप क्या वैल्यू ले रहे हैं आप लोग?
हॅलो सर.
हाँ, बोला कि मैडम.
0.68.
0.683. For second step, you are taking m equals to 3 and k equals to, sorry, I equals to क्या आएगा?
1,
हॅलो
2.
सर.
For second step, m equals to 3 and I equals to 1, 2. ठीक है? k3 का वैल्यू कितना आया?
1.529.
k3. What is the value of k3?
0.68.
हाँ, 0.683. ठीक है? The value of k3 is k3 equals to a3 of 3, जो आप ऊपर ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किए वही आएगा. Then you just calculate for a2 of 1 and a2 of 2.
A2 of 1 is 0.731.
Okay. Others also please check the answer. कितने लोगों का आ रहा आंसर ये? A2 of 1, 0.732.
Yes,
How
sir.
many of you are getting this answer?
Sir.
Supriya Pawar is there. A18.
Yes, sir.
हाँ मैडम, कितने वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट किया आपने? How many values you have calculated?
सर A3 of 1 पर्यंत चालेल सर.
A3 of 1 किती आलं व्हॅल्यू तुमचं?
1.529.
A3 of
1.
A3 of 1. अच्छा, A3 of 1 करता का अजून तुम्ही? खूप स्लो चाललाय मॅडम. वाढवा की जरा
सर
स्पीड.
सर ते रेंज प्रॉब्लेम आहे, ते मला क्वेश्चन दिसला नव्हता सर.
अच्छा, ठीक आहे, चालतंय, काय अडचण नाही, घ्या करून पटपट. हां, ओके. नेक्स्ट, वैष्णवी इज देयर. वैष्णवी सुरवाशी.
यस सर.
हाँ मैडम, कितने वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट किया आपने?
सर m इज इक्वल टू 1 तक किया.
m इक्वल टू 2 तक आ गए आप?
हो गया वो सर.
हो गया क्या? ओके. m इक्वल टू 3 के वैल्यूज आ गए आपके. A2 of 1 और A2 of 2 का
यस
वैल्यू
सर.
बताएंगे आप मुझे?
0.74 A2 of 1.
0.74 लिया है क्या आपने? ओके. हाँ,
हाँ.
और A2 of 2?
1.165 आया सर.
1.165, ठीक है, चलता है. और m इक्वल टू 2
K2 का
कितने वैल्यूज आ?
वैल्यू
हाँ, K2.
1.16.
ओके. उसके बाद
A1
उसके
of
बाद
1 का
हाँ,
0.34 आया.
0.34.
0.342.
आपके वैल्यूज कम कैसे क्या रहे? थोड़ा थोड़ा कम हो रहा है वैल्यू. So anybody has got the value of A2 of 1 as 0.732. किसी
Yes,
का
sir.
आया वैल्यू? है ना?
Yes. Yes.
A2
Yes,
of
sir.
2 is 1.167.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. और next for m equals to 2, the K2 value is 1.167. और
Yes, sir.
Yes.
A1 of 1, the value is 0.338.
Yes, sir.
That is step 3. m equals to 2 के लिए एक ही वैल्यू आएगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है. उसके बाद लास्ट स्टेप, step 4, m equals to 1, and the value of K1 is going to become what? K1 का वैल्यू क्या होगा?
0.338.
हाँ, 0.338. Can you draw the diagram now? 4 कोएफिशिएंट मिले हमें. अब 4 ऑर्डर है, 4th ऑर्डर इक्वेशन इज देयर. So we have calculated the 4 coefficients of lattice K1, K2, K3, K4. Now draw the diagram and present it. Let us see like who will present the right thing. आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है और प्रेजेंट करना है. Yes, anybody has finished? कोई present किए? Anyone want to present it? Any difficulty in drawing the diagram?
No, sir.
Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just present it. I am going to stop my presentation. Let's see. Yes, you can present now. Okay. ठीक है. So here every time x1 k1 values लिखे आपने. Right. k2 यहाँ पे finally y of n. Okay, no problem. So here if you want you can write the in between stage output. पहला stage का output क्या रहेगा? f1 of n. Second stage output is f2 of n. Third stage output is f3 of n. And last stage output is f4 of n, which will be equals to, you can write y of n. And यहाँ पे at the below that is at the below end again we can write g4 of n as the output. How many of you have heard the structure? कितने लोगों ने plot की?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10,
Yes,
8
sir.
और 19 और कोई बाकी?
Yes, sir.
17, 13 बाकी लोग?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion here? You just check once again, like otherwise. तो ये डायग्राम ऐसा दिखता है अभी, right? So this is the way. Hope you are getting my screen. Screen दिख रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
आप actually input missing है. You just don't write here. Input you are right. Okay. So first here you can write like stage wise output also. F1 of n and G1 of n, F2 of n, G2 of n, F3 of n, G3 of n, and F4 of n, G4 of n. You please add here input part. So don't do such mistakes in the examination, right? So any confusion here? Any problem, any difficulty for anybody for converting diode from coefficients to lattice coefficient?
No, sir.
Okay. So maybe now I am going to stop it here. Tomorrow we will start like how to convert lattice coefficient to diode form and vice versa, right? So before going to close, let me take the attendance and we will close the session. Absent numbers are roll number 3, 4, 22, 33, 34, 36, 40, 43, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 59, 61, 62, 63, 65, 67. Anybody is present out of these numbers?
33, sir.
33. Okay. Anybody else? और कोई है? Okay. Thank you. We'll continue again further.